Improve your customer experience with WhatsApp. In this video, we'll break down how to optimize your customer support with WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business will help you. 1. Gain customer trust with opt-in and security. WhatsApp requires prior customer consent to opt in for communications and services. WhatsApp is also highly secure, featuring two-factor authentication, end-to-end encryption, and spam protection. 2. Engage customers with interactive messaging and self-service. WhatsApp allows highly structured message templates. With HSM, use CTAs, reply buttons, and navigation menus that your customers will love. 3. Recover abandoned carts. With a WhatsApp Business API, you can use reminders and alternative product recommendations to re-engage the customers from where they left off. 4. Reduce wait times. Multiple support agents can be added to a single WhatsApp account number, allowing you to handle a volume of customer interactions simultaneously. 5. Proactively send out real-time notifications. With WhatsApp, you can automate updates through every stage of the customer journey. 6. Improve support productivity and quality. With chatbots, you can automatically respond to FAQs and common questions, saving time and increasing productivity. WhatsApp will improve your customer support. By integrating your WhatsApp business account with Sprinklr, you can personalize customer conversations with historical context from 13+ digital channels. Automate alerts and notifications on a messaging channel with a 99% open rate. Unlock agent productivity in CSAT by configuring smart routing rules. Build intuitive self-serve paths with engageable WhatsApp message templates. Support with speed and accuracy using no-code chatbots and auto-responses. Let WhatsApp Business unlock your business's next customer service era.